Hey guys, and welcome back. And today I'll be working on this device. A technician brought this device, we built this device to me, and he said that the phone had backlight issues. So after I'm done with the backlight, I discovered that the phone is not just having only backlight issue, but also this problem I'm going to be showing you right now, display issue. And look at it. It looks well, it looks okay, X, Infinix, whatever. And we have tried several screens. See how this phone is displaying right here, and look at that line. Look how it's blinking. Can you see that? So this is what this phone is. This is how the phone is behaving. All right, we've tested several screens, up to 4 or 5 screens, and it still does the same thing. Now here is a way in which I was able to repair this device after so much troubleshooting. All right, after so much troubleshooting. Now I'm going to show you what I was able to do to rectify this problem. If you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen, and we're going to help you become a better technician. If you pay close attention closely, you see a jumper wire right there. All right, there was an open circuit on the anode side of the light section, so I had to make a jumper. And after making the jumper, the screen starts misbehaving and all that. So let's walk you through how I was able to get this sorted for the clients that we build this from a very long distance. Okay, so if you have a phone you want us to help you repair, all right, you can send it over to us, but mind you, we are going to charge you the fee for the repair. Some people say, please, don't you consider that I'm going to pay for the way billing, for sending over the phone and all that. My brother, if you are sending the phone, I'm going to charge for my job. All right, it's up to you if you're going to send it or if you are not going to send it. Are you getting what I'm saying? Don't be saying, please consider I don't consider we bill. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you want us to repair a device for you, we collect our charge. We'll charge you. Even if you're a technician, I will charge you. Okay, if you are able to repair it, send it. If you are not able to repair it, please just let the phone be in your shop. Don't need to send it over. Don't tell me emoji K, blah blah blah. All right, let's get back to the video. You can see me right now. I've removed the display IC. All right, I've removed the display IC, and I'm gonna change this display IC right away. But before I change it, here is this IC. If you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen, and we are going to help you become a better technician. Our physical training is also available for trainers who want to come for physical training, and I bet you physical training is the best. Quote me anywhere. All right, and online training is also very, very much available if you're interested. All right, in our online training as well, you're going to learn a lot, but it's not to be compared with the physical training. See a lot of people messaging me, am I going to know everything I need to know with the online? Yes, you're going to know everything you are going to know, but when it comes to the practical aspect, how are you going to do that? All right, here is me trying to look for short, if there's any short hair, whatever, on the PCB. So now what am I trying to say? If you're interested in online training or physical training, please DM us and let's talk. All right, and how you're going to come for your training, a week training, 2 weeks training, 3 weeks training, depending on your schedule at your workplace. Okay, if you're the kind of person that is very, very busy with clients and you just want to upgrade quickly, we are your best plug. Just DM us and let's arrange on how you will come for your training. When you come for your training, I want you to know that you're not coming to play. So you need to have that at the back of your mind. You're not coming over to play. It's not time for TikTok or Facebook. It's time to face your book, to face the training that you've came for, or you've come for, however the English, the correct one will sound. All right, so I'm done with the device. Don't mind me, my talking is too much. I just need to clarify some things. Now, I've replaced the display IC, and you can even see that the display is more, the graphics is more better than the previous one. All right. Now, if you're interested in our light trade, like I said, please DM us on the numbers on the screen and let's chat on how we can help you grow, how we can help you become a better. Look at the graphics right now. You see, the phone is working perfectly well, and the phone doesn't just work perfectly well. We have done a series of troubleshooting in the background, to finally detect, oh, the problem is from the display. So don't just say, hey, display, you remove display. Sometimes it can be the processor. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another video. Peace.